Maybe that's the reason it keeps flipping. Log on account usage. We saw that. Yeah. Now expand ticketing system. There is no value. So now what we are doing? In my as per client requirement, we have integrated service now with Cyber. Okay. What will be the help after integrating the service with Cyber? So as per the means, I am working for one pharma client and it is a SOX. Okay. So whenever if any user wants to connect to any target server, they need to give that region field with the specific incident number and region. Why they need to, why they are accessing this privileged account. Okay. So as of now, what they are doing, they manually entering that incident number and just putting some description and also in the incident. Also they need to update. Like I am using so, and so I found from cyber addresses, this one, all those stuff. Okay. But after integrating cyber service with cyber, what it will do? They need not to put all the description in the region field in the cyber. Just they need to put that incident number. Okay, and it will validate automatically in the incident whether that. So in case if that user didn't update all the details, then it will not allow that connection, so it will give directly through the error. Like in case, if the user is not updated that username, it will give the error message, like username is not updated in the incident work notes. Just update that kind of stuff. So for all the other fields also, like username, region, address and remote mission. So it will check in the cyber and it will try to match in that incident number which is provided by the user. So in case, if that incident is not in work in progress state, again it will throw an error. Incident is not in active state. Okay. Same kind of stuff or change as it does. But again, you mentioned something which is very interesting to me. So you mean to say that every time somebody clicks a connect? I'm not talking of the ticketing system. Now right? Yeah. So we can still put for a validation to ask why the gentleman, he or she is trying to connect. Yep, we can put the I will cover that in master policy. We have one policy in master policy, like the specified region. So I think you've got that region box also while clicking on. So just click on show button here. No, go to accounts. I think, while it is directly showing the password or asking for it. Yeah, see here. So same kind of region we can put for connecting. Connecting. Okay. Yeah. So this part at least, I have seen that. But what happens is typically wherever I am not the member of a safe right. So because I'm logging in as the native client admin for Cyber Vault right. For the membership wherever it is validated, I don't get the prompt, but for the other accounts which I try to access, it where I'm not a member, it still prompts me for that. But if I were to do it for every platform mandatory the moment I click a connect asking for a reason, maybe a ticket number or whatever it is, I think I will certainly need to know that part. Yeah. So just again, that is one policy. Just if you select, it will be applicable for all platforms. So, irrespective of I have access or I don't have access, every time I click on connect I'll be prompted. Yeah. Okay. So that is about ticketing system. So if you want to add a ticketing system, just right-click on the ticketing system and an active system option will come right. Just click on right-click and see the options. I think add active ticketing system or some field will come on the right. Yeah. Okay. So this is compatible with Unity ServiceNow or any ticketing platform which is available. I think the Remedy and ServiceNow, as of now, CyberArk can integrate. So if you want to check that also, just go to the third tab on the Chrome. Anyway, we need to go to the options only after this. If you want to take privileges as a manager, go to Options. Last tab, Administrative Options, Configure Options. OK. First one, Options. Now on the left hand side you can see ticketing system below to dual control. Hold on. Dual control. Yeah, I see that. Expand the ticketing system and see what are the 15 systems by default out of the box. They have probably a ServiceNow and traffic. Okay,